Your browser just became an AI agent that can control websites for you, and that's just the beginning of today's AI explosion. Opera just launched the world's first fully agentic browser. DeepSeek quietly released a model that destroys Grok. Google launched 24/7 AI-generated TV, and you can now buy a smart car with dual Nvidia chips for just $19,000. But here's the kicker. Entry-level tech jobs are vanishing at an alarming rate as AI takes over. And there's an AI that's literally hacking into systems to protect them. In the next 5 minutes, I'm breaking down 8 insane AI developments that prove we're living through the fastest technological revolution in human history. Let's start with something that will change how you browse the internet forever. Opera just launched Opera Neon, the world's first browser with a dedicated AI agent wired directly into your browsing experience. This isn't just a chatbot. This AI operates in 3 revolutionary modes. Chat mode lets the AI assist with tasks directly in your address bar, like instantly summarizing any web page. Do mode is absolutely insane. The AI takes control of live web pages to complete tasks like filling out forms for you. But make mode is where it gets sci-fi level crazy. The AI spins up a virtual machine and breaks down complex requests into parallel subtasks. It can literally generate playable demos and applications on demand. The moment you open a tab, the agent is sitting there ready to act on your behalf. We're talking about AI that doesn't just help you browse the web, it browses for you. While everyone was watching OpenAI and Google, DeepSeek just dropped a bomb that's shaking the entire AI world. Their new R1052.8 model shot up the live Codebench leaderboard and positioned itself right behind OpenAI's best models while completely surpassing Grok 3 Mini. Here's what's absolutely incredible. DeepSeek achieved this despite massive hardware limitations from export controls. They're using sparse expert tricks to navigate around restrictions and still deliver world-class performance. A DeepSeek representative casually called this a minor trial upgrade, which feels like the understatement of the century when you're beating models from companies with unlimited resources. This proves that innovation and clever architecture can triumph over raw computational power, and China's AI capabilities are advancing faster than anyone expected. Google just launched something that sounds like science fiction, Flow TV, a 24/7 non-stop stream of AI-generated video content. Every single clip is created from simple English prompts using a relay of 3 AI models. Gemini handles prompt parsing, Imagen 4 manages textures and lighting, and Veo 3 generates the final video and audio. It's essentially a live stress test of AI's ability to create endless, coherent content. But Google didn't stop there. They've revolutionized Google Photos with AI editing that's absolutely mind-blowing. Tap the AI Enhance button and instantly get 3 alternative edits with automatic ranking. The new Reimagine feature lets you add objects to photos just by typing what you want. Type red Vespa, and suddenly there's a scooter with perfect shadows and reflections. We're talking about reality modification through simple text commands. Here's the reality check that should concern everyone. Entry-level tech jobs are disappearing at an alarming rate. In 2024, new graduates made up only 7% of hires at Meta, Microsoft, and Google. That's a 50% drop from pre-pandemic numbers. Generative AI has automated most routine onboarding tasks from coding to spreadsheet cleanup. Anthropic's CEO just predicted that within 1 to 5 years, AI could eliminate half of all entry-level white-collar roles, pushing unemployment to 10 to 20%. We're witnessing the fastest job displacement in modern history, and it's happening right now. Meanwhile, Horizon 3.ai just secured $73 million for their Node Zero platform, an autonomous AI penetration tester that hacks into systems to find vulnerabilities before bad actors do. This AI can identify attack paths and provide automatic remediation scripts. But here's something that will blow your mind. You can now buy a smart electric vehicle with dual Nvidia chips for just $19,400.
The XPeng Mona MO3 Max is packed with technology that should cost way more. This car's AI can recognize over 50 distinct road objects and plan trajectories at urban speeds without needing HD maps. The infotainment system runs on their in-house XGPT language model with voice control covering 90% of all functions and over 300 new cockpit features. We're talking about smartphone-level AI integration in an affordable electric vehicle that's already dominating the Chinese market. So here's where we stand. AI agents are taking control of our browsers, beating established models despite hardware restrictions, generating 24/7 content streams, eliminating entry-level jobs, autonomously hacking systems for security, and powering 19K smart cars with dual Nvidia chips. The question isn't whether AI will change everything, it's whether we're still in control of this wave or if it's already driving us. If you liked the video, don't forget to press the like button, comment, and subscribe to the channel. What excites you most about these developments? The browser AI agent, DeepSeek's breakthrough, or the affordable smart car? Let me know in the comments. Next week, I'm diving into the secret AI chips powering all of this technology, and that story will change how you think about the entire tech industry.